Hey,
what happened?
Oh, shit.
What happened?
Why did the power go now? Yashoda, can you call the EB office now?
Okay. They have disconnected the receiver.
God.
They always do the same thing.
Then Sizzly, call your husband.
Ayyo, what is this? Are you not ashamed to call him? You always say women equality and 50-50, but now what?
I don't think it's wrong to call him today.
Huh.
We can't sleep without electricity.
Not required. We'll not run behind anybody. If you all help hold the ladder, that's enough. I will manage to fix the fuse.
Careful, be careful.
Huh.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Is it ready? Oh my God! Run!
Please help me.
Fire force is coming! Dad, what happened? You look a bit upset today.
One more register letter has come. Manju received it. Since then, she's sitting inside and locked the room. She didn't come out.
What letter?
Today she has not taken a drop of water.
I asked her many times. If she says something, I can understand, right?
We don't know what happened.
What is your new problem today? What is this? Oh, is that it? Were you upset for this thing?
Is it a small thing? You cannot ignore this. This is not a small thing at all. It's a summons from Women's Commission. Your staff has given the complaint.
I know about it. She has given a complaint and they've sent me the summons for the inquiry. That's all. If I go there personally and clarify the matter, the case will be dismissed.
How's that possible? The case is about rape attempt now.
It is absolutely a fake complaint and I will prove it.
Is it a fake complaint? How can an unmarried girl lodge a complaint that she was tried to rape?
Listen to me. Nowadays, in spite of trusting me or trusting your cheap friends, isn't it? Don't behave like them, please.
Tomorrow this is going to come in newspapers and also in TV channels. Then
Let the newspaper or channel publish whatever they want. I don't care about it. But you're not trusting me and it hurts.
hereafter, how can I face everyone?
Oh, now that is your problem. How can you face everyone? How can you leave? In situations like this, instead of supporting your husband, you're thinking about your own problems. Listen to me, Manju.
You please don't touch me.
Attacking. By using criminal techniques, harming a lady, it is really a heinous act. IPC 354.
Oh, you need to study this much to tell this one.
Don't take law in your hand.
She must be brave for her age, but she does not have the courage to lodge a complaint against me.
It is there. Women who speak about equality is there in only poems, that's all. You can't find them here.
We don't know what could be the reason for this sudden act. We must know it.
The issue was prevailing before itself. After that, old man and a rowdy entered the bank and quarreled with Nirosha.
She has committed a mistake. What will you do?
Not just that, that rowdy guy, after looking at me, respectfully dropped his knife. That is enough to doubt.
It's a good thing they have come. If not, I would have given a quotation.
Enough. By the way, I am not able to understand Manju's stand over here. When there is a problem, she is not at all supporting you.
Now we don't really need their support. I will finish this case very easily. I will show who the advocate Anandan is. These days we have suffered physically and mentally very much. I will tell everything in the court and I will take the revenge. You have not seen my strengths inside the court. Case will take a turn. It will change its face. Treachery. Misleading court by telling false statements. IPC 193. Nirosha will go to the jail. The equality women will run there and here. Even a grass won't grow where they are. Go in the kuti. Sign here. This is a question of my respect. Everybody has been thinking that I'm a foolish lawyer who roams around the court. I will show them what Anandakutti can do this time, including Yashoda also.
Sir,
What is it, man? We are discussing something serious.
sir,
You can't
4
you see?
females have come to see you regarding a case.
Hey,
If you leave me, then I won't be alive. Will you try to cheat me?
Hey, don't be silly. Why are you talking like this?
Whenever I try to talk about marriage, you try to ignore it. Don't think that I'm stupid.
This is a difference between man and woman. You girls will always be in dreamland only. But we men are not like that. Very practical. After marrying you, I don't want you to stay in a rented house or somewhere else. If I want you to stay in big house, like a queen.
I don't think a King Wilfred is a beggar now.
Hey, come on, Nirosha. Crores can be earned in business. But we can't withdraw that money. But for this Dubai project for me, I need 80 lakh rupees minimum. Otherwise, I will lose the amount that I've already invested.
What will I do if you tell all these things to me?
Your bank does multiple crores of turnovers, right? If you can just give me some amount of money in that,
You mean?
it is just a simple adjustment. My 2 crore rupees will not be at loss. Within 2 months, I'll get it back, including interest also. Don't you believe me?
Hey, please stop. It's not as simple as you make it seem. You don't know anything about Govindan Kuti.
Then, will they go and count the money every single day? You maintain the accounts properly. That person will trust only the computers.
However, you are planning so many things with me.
In our universe, only me and you. It has been so long that we have been dreaming this. Shouldn't we leave the life we dreamt?
Yes. I don't want to lose you at all. For your dream and success, I will do anything.
Oh my goodness, he's not a human at all. How can he try to rape a woman who works with him?
I never expected that he will be crooked to this extent.
I don't take this issue as a big thing because all the men are same only.
Whatever it is, Manju, you're the one who loves him more than your life. I'm actually not able to understand how you're bearing all this.
That's true. No other woman can bear this. But how Manju is facing this, we really don't know.
It's all her husband's wish. She don't do anything without his consent.
There is no point in discussing. She has already given birth to his child, isn't it?
If only I were at this position, I would have ended this relationship right away.
Whatever happened is happened. According to me, there is only one solution for this issue. You have to stand on your own. For that, you need a job. It is not difficult to get a job for a postgraduate.
It's not that I don't want to go for a job. Listen to me, Manju. If we are independent and doing something on our own, we don't have to fear anybody at all. It is shameful only when we are dependent and ask them money for everything. We'll not be able to talk at all.
From now onwards, hunting job is not only Manju's problem. Don't worry, Manju. It is also our problem and responsibility. Please sign on this membership form.
What's there to think about this, Manju? Please sign the form. Please.
Come on.
Hmm.